Good morning from Rome. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I'm walking towards the railway station. I'm taking a train today to the city of Foggia, or Foggia. Not entirely sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, it's a 3-hour train ride. And then once we're there, I'm planning to take a very interesting flight out of Foggia airport. Let's first catch the train. It's now 7:30. Train departs at around 8. Let's see if it lets us in. Oh, that worked.
Alle ore 13:35 il personale Trenitalia Sargento DT303. The train will arrive in Linton at 13:35. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Welcome to Foggia. So why did I travel to Foggia at all? Well, I want to do some aviation related stuff here. There's a helicopter airline in Foggia that operates flights around this region here, and they do have scheduled flights to an island called Tremiti. And today, this afternoon, in about 4 hours, I want to try to make a direct round trip on one of those helicopters. Not quite sure if it will work out, but we will try. Yeah, so my room is not ready yet. That's why I came here to this pedestrian zone. It's quite nice. Yeah, so I just got a piece of like flatbread sort of stuff. And I'm heading back to the hotel. See if my room is ready, because I actually need to use the room. And there we are. Quite possibly my cheapest hotel room ever, or almost the cheapest. It cost me €40. I mean, it's not too bad, but you know, there are better rooms. This is a wellness hotel, so they have a spa area sort of, and well, yeah, you have a view of other houses. Yeah, I just want to use the bathroom here, and then I will head to the airport. Oh, heliport. Let's go to the airport. I decided to walk because it's such a beautiful day. I mean, I could take a taxi. There are like a number of taxis at the central station, and apparently like a couple of times a day there's also a bus, but the bus schedule doesn't really fit my needs, so let's just walk there. It's like 5.5 kilometers, so it will take like an hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, but that's fine. It's beautiful weather. Finally, a bit further out of town here. God, there's a lot of car traffic in that city. And the cars don't really pay attention to you. Like even at a crosswalk, don't expect them to stop. Like they will just go. Even like they look at you, they just go. I don't know. Anyway, we're out here now. Beautiful weather. By the way, the airline is called Alidaunia or Alidaunia, and they operate flights to the helipads around the region. You can book scheduled flights to 3 or 4 helipads. There are a lot more actually, but those are just for charters. Yeah, so basically what I'm doing today is I go to the island of Tremiti, and I want to make this as a direct return, which means I will get there and then I will take the same flight more or less back after 10 minutes. And the thing is, I actually arrive after the check-in deadline for the return flight, so I will have to make them aware of that. Otherwise maybe I cannot check in for the return flight. That's the reason why I brought my backpack with all my things, my laptop and clothes and everything, just in case I get stuck on the island of Tremiti. They have a bike path here as well. Look at that. That's good. I could have rented a bike actually. That would have been a good idea. Oh well. And we have reached the airport terminal here. Unfortunately, it's not where I want to head today. Today I need to continue on that road because the heliport is actually in a different location. So the heliport is in the south, which is like another 20-25 minutes from here. So I cannot check in the main terminal here. I mean, this channel is called Walking to Airports, but it applies to heliports as well. It's not exactly pedestrian friendly, this route. I mean, there's no walkway. The truck just overtook another car. The cars go really fast here. I might try to take a taxi back later. Finally made it to the airport, but it's kind of close. Oh, it says check-in here.
La chiamata è stata inoltrata. Connecting the call. La chiamata è in corso. Si prega di attendere. The call is in progress. Please hold on. La chiamata è in corso. Si prega di attendere. The call is in progress. Please hold on.
Yeah, so welcome to Foggia heliport. Yeah, no one answered when I rang the bell at the gate, but then there was a car like coming out and I just sneaked in. But it looks like the building is still closed. To be fair, check-in is not supposed to open for another like 20 minutes or so. So let's give them some time and just wait outside.
Alidaunia welcomes all passengers. We request you to pay close attention to the following. Check-in must be completed not later than 10 minutes prior to departure. Mobile phones, laptops and tablets must be switched off or set in flight mode if available. Please do not stop for any reasons to take photographs along the walking path while reaching the helicopter, and always from the sides, never from the tail of the helicopter. Here plans are recommended and available for you. Use the windows as emergency exits. Jettison the windows, pull the red tag from the pin stud, then push out the window at any corner. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, that is so cool. I have the entire helicopter for myself. There are 6 seats. Yeah, and I'm the only one here. Kind of an issue. They do not provide those earmuffs, you know, for your or earplugs or anything. And the thing is, because I have a direct return flight, the check-in agent said I can leave my bag there in the heliport, and I forgot to take out my earplugs. So not the best thing for the ears. Let's just say it's good that the flight is only like 15-20 minutes long. It's not ideal for the ears. Also, on a more serious note, last year one of their helicopters crashed when returning from that very island to Foggia. 7 people lost their lives back then. And yeah, well, it was just last year. But I did some research and apparently it was related to fog. I actually wouldn't have flown if there was fog, but today the weather seems to be quite good, as you can see. So shouldn't be too many issues today. And yeah, so far it looks like a smooth flight. By the way, you cannot actually bring hand luggage on board. Sort of like if you have hand luggage, it's put into a box and they just put it somewhere, I don't know. For safety reasons, yeah, it's the right thing because yeah, as you can see, there's not too much space here, so it shouldn't be blocked by hand luggage. Also, hand luggage has the potential to fly around. So yeah, that's also not good. Oh, look at that. Now that we're flying over the Adriatic Sea, it kind of feels like I'm going to an oil platform, like, you know, these oil platforms in the Northern Sea or somewhere, I don't know. Yeah, but we should be there in about 5 minutes maybe. I'm looking forward to giving my ears some rest. That drop stop took only like 1 or 2 minutes and we're already on our way back. Picked up 2 people, so it's now 3 passengers and we're heading back to Foggia now, over the water. Actually, like during the week, this helicopter makes a few more stops on the way, at least for some flights, but on the weekend it's just a direct route. Quite a nice flight. The weather could be a bit better. I mean, it's like a bit cloudy and we're back in Foggia in time. Hopefully my luggage is still there.